Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to archive pages and sections in OneNote. This is incredibly useful for keeping your active notebooks clean and organized while preserving important information you might need later. Let's get into it. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you're in, you'll need to wait a moment for everything to fully load before we begin the archiving process. Now, here's the thing about OneNote. It doesn't actually have a built-in archive function, so we're going to create a workaround that works just as well. We'll be setting up a dedicated archive notebook where you can move older pages and sections. To begin, click on the File tab located at the top part of your screen where all your menu and tools are. This opens up the main file menu with several options. From the File menu, click on New. You'll now see options for where you want to store this new notebook. You can choose OneDrive or a local directory on your computer. For this tutorial, we'll be using a local file directory, so go ahead and click on Browse. You'll need to click on the Browse icon again to open the full File Explorer window. A File Explorer window will appear on your screen. From here, navigate to the directory where you want to store your archive notebook. This is where all your archive pages and sections will live, so choose a location that's easy to remember and access. Once you've selected your preferred location, you'll want to name this notebook something clear like Archive. This makes it instantly recognizable whenever you need to reference old content. After you've set the directory and named your notebook, click on Create. The system will take a moment to set up your new archive notebook. Perfect. Now we've created a dedicated archive notebook where we can send all the pages and sections we want to archive. This keeps them out of your main workspace, but still accessible whenever you need them. To proceed with actually moving content to this archive, simply right-click on any page or section you wish to archive. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Move or Copy. A small window will pop up showing you all available notebooks in your OneNote account. From this list, locate the notebook we just created for archiving purposes. It should be named Archive or whatever you chose to call it. Once you've found it, click on Move. This action transfers the selected page or section directly into your archive notebook, effectively removing it from your active workspace while keeping it safely stored. And that's it. You've now set up a functional archive system in OneNote that you can access anytime you need to reference old pages or sections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.